How to fix laggy export in Reelshot. Is your Reelshot video export taking forever or getting stuck? A laggy export can be frustrating. This guide will provide troubleshooting tips to help you get your video rendered smoothly and quickly. A primary cause of lag is insufficient storage or RAM. Free up space on your iPhone by deleting old apps, photos or videos. Also close all other background apps from the apps feature before starting the export to free up system memory. During it, choose a low resolution quality setting. While 4K is great, your phone might struggle. Try exporting in 1080p or even 720p if the lag persists. Lowering the overall quality slider can also help significantly reduce processing demands. If your project is very complex with many layers, effects or long clips, try simplifying it slightly. If all else fails, first quit the Reelshot app and restart it, or even restart your entire phone. A fresh start can often resolve temporary performance issues. With these tips, your exports should be smoother. You've successfully learned how to fix lag export in Reelshot. Get your videos rendered efficiently. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot troubleshooting tips.